Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Alright, well, I got a weird beard oil for you today. This is one that when I was shopping in Wal Mart, going through the usual section, checking to see if they restocked the Honest Amish, I found this. And I went, okay, why not take a look at it? So stay tuned after we roll the intro. I'm going to tell you everything I found out. Alrighty, YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time viewers of the channel, man, take a look. I think it's going to be on that side. Alright, there's going to be a little channel watermark popping up. Please go ahead and hover over that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. I would really appreciate it if you knocked that out the way early. Alright, now as I said, I buy my Honest Amish locally in, Walmart. So, I hate to throw another company's beard oil in when I'm taking a look at this one. By the way, and there's the back of the box. They're talking about naturally derived, hydration, cruelty-free, gluten-free, please recycle, and it's vegan-friendly. Okay. Well, there's a bunch of ingredients down there. You can pause that if you want. I'm going to touch on them in just a moment. Okay? So, I love how they go, our blend of naturally derived oils condition and soften your beard while hydrating shea butter soothes sensitive skin. And it says it has essential oils of Sandalwood Refresh. I like Sandalwood. Alright. No big deal. It is designed, I should say, it is made in the USA. This one is designed in California, and there's the bottle. Alright. It's, glass amber bottle with a pump top. No biggie. It is 1 ounce. And the cost on this was just $9.99 at Walmart. Over on their web store, which is everymanjack.com, it's $10. So it's within a penny of each other. And I'll try to leave a link in the description below for Everyman Jack. Okay. Now, the ingredients seem to be safflower seed oil, olive oil. I have no freaking idea what this Tctbnl is. I'm not even sure I'm saying that right. Linseed oil, borage oil, argan oil, shea butter, and fragrance. None of that seems really chemically that's going to damage my skin. I've used it for about 3 days now. I really haven't seen hairs falling out and bad things happening. When I looked on their webpage, the one thing that really struck me as funny was there's no really about us. There's no about why they got into things, why they're doing things, what, their mission statement, that kind of thing. And I'll be honest, I love seeing that. So I wonder if this is, and I hate saying it that way, is it a fly-by-night company that's just trying to capitalize on, the bearding gang out there and going, let's throw something out there and see if it works. But they were very proud to say they could be found at Target, Whole Foods, Vitamin Shop, Walgreens, Sprouts Farmers Market, and Hy-Vee. But I found you in Walmart, and you're not advertising that you're selling in Walmart. So interesting. All right. Now we got the most important part of all this. Okay. Well, let's see if it passes the cuteness test. Hey, Brianna.
Yes.
Come here. Hold on. No, baby, we're filming a video.
I gotta find the white piece I was at.
Baby, I need you to come smell. Can you come smell?
Nope.
Could you please come smell?
Here we are. Found the white pennies.
Here we are.
Daddy, I found the white pennies.
Okay. You ready?
Yes.
Hold on. Come here. Over here. That way people can see you on the camera like last time. Oops, hold on.
Let me seven.
Okay. You ready? Smell. What do you think?
Good.
Well, it passes her test.
Ow.
Ooh, you okay?
Yeah.
She just ran into a table. But, yeah, it's got a great, I can only put it like leathery sandalwood smell to it. It smells really good. Seriously, and when I was working it into my beard, and if this is a first video that you guys are watching about beard oil, you got to remember, the oil itself is not for the beard necessarily. It's for your skin that's underneath the beard. That way it's going to help get rid of like beard rough, the itchiness in the skin when you're growing it out. Your body can only produce so much oil to help keep things really, really healthy. So this is a way as a vitamin supplement, for lack of a better phrase. You basically put your desired amount in your hand with the pumper. It's just really easy. A couple squirts, rub your hands together, and just rub it right in. Once you get it, you know, all the way worked in, you just comb it out. All right, real simple. But yeah, I'm sounding like a really bad episode of How I Met Your Mother. You know, the but drink. I gotta be honest, it seems like this is a company that's trying to say, look, we're very healthy, very vegan free, very friendly free, very everything free. But it's like, all right, are you trying to jump in big, be a small fish in a big market? Or, you know, what are you trying to do? I don't know, but I found it, I tried it, and I figured I would share this with you guys. You know? Okay, so here's the important part. I want to know what you guys think. I mean, I know these videos are a little weird because this is my experience with the oil. And I know there's lots of other people out there doing this stuff, but, you know, I'm really, really grateful you're watching this video. So I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, all that fun stuff down below in the comments section. I especially want to know if you guys have used Everyman Jack. You know, do you have it in your stores? Have you tried it? What are your experiences with it? Because, you know, we should all help each other grow and do different things in this.
I promise I won't pee my shirt.
Well, I'm glad you're not going to pee your shirt. Is it okay if I finish this up?
Yep.
All right, thank you, baby girl.
And I won't pee my special shirt that is special to me.
It's fun being a dad, isn't it? Alrighty, guys. If you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day, you know, in order to watch this video. I know there's like millions of options out there, and I'm very flattered you chose one of mine. Now, for you long-time viewers and you first-time guys that didn't do it at the beginning of this video, here's your second chance at redemption. Man, down there. I think it's going to be right down there. Going to be a big channel logo popping up. Good click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you've gone ahead and hit that subscribe, please go ahead and destroy that bell icon. Why? Great question. It's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time that I upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to be popping up either on that side of the screen or that side of the screen. These are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. Guys, there it is, my quick look at the Everyman Jack. So on behalf of me and the Cuteness Factor over there, thank you so much for watching, and we both hope you have a great day today.